The Graduate Institute is a very special place to study and a really global one. Global first, because we place emphasis squarely on international law. We have an expert faculty of 13 professors focusing on transnational and international issues. And every year we invite experts from academia or practice to join us on top of that. We also have a very diverse and global student body. 150 students in the law department come from overall 45 nationalities, and none of them is dominant here. We're also global because we're in the midst of this international Geneva with 40 international organizations at our doorstep. There you can do internships, you can work, or you can just observe how international law is made in the International Law Commission or in the UN Human Rights Committee. So this is really an ideal place to study the substance of international law. We do much general international law, but also specializations in trade law, environmental law, investment law, health law, human rights law. It's also an ideal place to study the context of international law, the way it is made, its history, the way it is applied, who is behind it. And this is really helped here in the Graduate Institute by a fantastic interdisciplinary environment in which we easily reach out to other academic disciplines just around us. If you really want to study international law and how it works, there's no better place than doing it in Geneva, where international law is made.